Hi, thank you for taking the time to enter your email on the previous page. You know, it wasn't that long ago that I was searching for a way to make some extra money without going into a big box store at minimum wage. I've been retired from the Canadian Post Office for many years, and the one thing that I disliked about it was I was selling my time for money. And I did that for over 30 years. I wasn't about to do it now that I've retired from the post office. But I couldn't just sit here and do nothing. I had to make more money. My pension just wasn't enough. I wasn't able to pay the rent and groceries anymore. With the cost of living going up as quickly as it has, my pension does not keep up in any regard. So I have to find something better than just my company pension. I had already written ghost stories and horror stories, so I figured self-publishing was perfect for me. I was wrong. It takes so much time to write a story and edit it and etc., etc. I just made no money at it. So that wasn't going to help me. That I already knew. And then I began drop shipping. I probably either broke even or lost money. I tried it 5 different times and I just couldn't find the right niche or the right product. I couldn't find anything that I needed. So off I went again. I ended up watching video after video after video on lots of things. It's taken me a few years to get to where I am today. I was like a chicken out in the woods at midnight. And then I came across affiliate marketing. I had come across it quite a few times actually and tried it with Amazon, tried it with other stores and other avenues. And I've got a blog, and in 3 months, 3 blogs a week, I have not even had one click for a sale or anything. Blogging is just too long of an ordeal to make money. So I moved on to something else and something else and something else until finally I rediscovered affiliate marketing. Only this time it was different. Legendary Marketer has the tools I needed. I didn't know it at the time, but I signed up for a 15-day, $7 challenge. And I learned so much from that. I've learned so much that I've actually partnered with them. And for that price, you get a coach as well as the 15-day course. You can take the course in less than 15 days, but for $7, you can't go wrong. Like I said earlier, I partnered with Dave Sharp and his Legendary Marketer course. And I have moved far beyond where I was even 2 or 3 weeks ago. One thing I can say, their short course for $7 has radically changed my life. And I can see it really changing it much more in the next few weeks. So if you're interested at all, there's a button below that you can click. You won't be sorry. I'm not sorry at all. Hopefully I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now.